And let's make us a beautiful vase. Look how beautiful it is. I will put the link below, friends. And our loved mimosa. This is about a 34, 35-inch long stem. I purchased it from Brian Lane's Design. I will put the link below. So we are going to start with one of the branches. I did cut off a couple of the shorter parts, and you'll see where I'm going to insert them. And just to make the branches a little go in a direction that we want it to, right? So I put a little sand in the vase. The vase is pretty, it's not too heavy, but it is consistent enough that it holds itself. And then we're just placing the mimosa inside. And if you didn't know, mimosa is the flower that in Italy we use to celebrate International Women's Day. So it represents the strength, the beauty, the softness, everything that a woman could possibly have, all the beautiful qualities. So we are going to play and place those. It's got leaves to almost look like a fern, so we want to shape them, and look at that. We are going to insert some roses in it, and this, in Italy, where I came from, it is the most used combination because, of course, the mimosa is to celebrate the woman and the red rose is to celebrate the love. So someone that loves you will give you this beautiful arrangement. Not in this beautiful vase that we chose, but maybe a bouquet or something of that nature. So we're going to place the roses to make an harmonious look. And the vase, obviously, it's front facing, so most of the beauty will be in the front. However, I do like to add a little touch of color that comes through the back as well. So we're going to keep placing our roses, and it's pretty simple, as you can see. A couple of the rose branches have a little bit of baby's breath, and I really liked that little touch of white in there. It wasn't too much, but it was perfect. And there you go. For this arrangement, I used 2 stems of our mimosa and 1 bush of red roses, both available at Brian Lane's Design. All the flowers that you'll see me use are from Brian Lane's Design. So the vase is the only thing that it's not from him. And look at this beauty. Look at that. Majestic, elegant, lovely. All of it. It's all the attributes all in one. And of course, we have to tweak and play and touch. But there it is, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this one, because it's only our first arrangement. And of course, we're going to take the roses out. I'm going to leave the mimosa in there. And fluff it out a little bit, move some of the branches, because we're going to go in with these gorgeous blue ranunculus. And they are just spectacular. I wish the camera would catch that beautiful blue. And in the center, it's yellow, so it really pops out in the middle of this gorgeous mimosa. So again, we are going to place them harmoniously around our arrangement. And again, I do have sand on the bottom of my vase, so I am not gluing anything in. And the top of the vase is very narrow, so once we place all the flowers in, everything stays in place. And a little touch of blue here and there, just gorgeous right there. And of course, we're going to put a couple in the back so that the color can come through. And in between the branches of our yellow mimosa. I grabbed a little extra piece because I felt there was one spot a little too empty. And I used all the stems from the ranunculus bush that I have. And I decided that that was a little too long, so we just cut it down a little bit. And there it is. Nope, I forgot. There was a couple of more pieces, you guys. So we're going to insert them all and just take in this beauty. So we're going to change it again, and we're going to go for take 3 because I just really couldn't decide. But I love them all the 3 colors I chose. So I decided to go in with an orange 60919. Come on, if you know me, you know I love me some 60919. And this orange one with the green that it's in the 60919, it's just spectacular. So I used the whole stem, and if you are familiar with it, it has 3 parts. I opened them up so that we were able to spread all the branches with the mimosa to make it a more cohesive look and not just a random stem inserted in there. And of course we play and we tweak and we touch and we put them all together. So I used 1 full stem, and then I took 1 piece out of the 1 stem and added it to the front on the bottom so that both colors are going from top to bottom in a very harmonious way. And again, all the flowers that you see me use come from Brian Lane's design. You can find the link in the description. And tell him Nadia sent you. And there it is. Hope you enjoyed. See you guys soon.